Hello guys, good morning. Today is December 12, Thursday, 2024 and it's 10:48 a.m. dito sa amin. And ang i-discuss ko naman today is about mode of payment sa iOS. So, pwede kang magbayad using money order, personal check, cashier's check, or you can also pay credit card or debit card using the form G1450. So, if you fill outan mo lang siya kasi yun yung authorization for your credit card transaction. And then, if you pay guys via check, you must make the check payable to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginamit namin na cashier's check to pay. So, wait lang. Okay guys, so ito yung mismong cashier's check na ginamit namin pambayad. Pero dalawang cashier's check yung ginamit namin. Isa for I-485 na application fee, and then isa din for the work permit. So nilagay lang namin is I-765 application fee. And then, ito yung sinasabi nila doon na you must address it to the US Department of Homeland Security, and ilalagay din nila kung magkano and then yung number ng amount na ibabayad mo. So far guys, ayun lang yung update ko for today. Medyo kabado ako 20 kasi may group interview ako later, mga 1:30. And nagpa-practice lang ako ng mga sagot. So it's my first time to do a like video group interview. So medyo bago to sa akin kaya medyo nag-freak out ako. But anyway guys, if you have any question, you can message me or comment down below. Have a good day. Bye-bye! Wait lang pala guys, nakalimutan ko sabihin yung disclaimer na this information is purely based sa aming experience, and if you want to make sure that what I am talking about is correct, please do visit the USCIS website for, alam mo na, para ma-sure ka. And guys, bye-bye ulit!